Good morning, student. I, Kinnari Dave from Ambipatil English Medium School, welcomes you all for Standard 11, Unit 2, Chemistry, Part 16 of Structure of Atom. Student, in this video, I am going to explain you about the orbit and orbital and with the quantum numbers. As you know, the concept of atomic orbital is totally depends on stability of atom, dual character of matter and uncertainty principle. So this is the new approach which is known as the wave mechanics, which we have already studied. And we talk about the certain region in space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum. That region in space is called orbitals. So today's video will start with the difference of orbit and orbital. Let us start, students. In this video, I am going to explain you about the important features of the quantum model and about the quantum numbers. As I said, first of all, we'll just go with the difference between orbit and orbitals. So, as you know, orbit is a well-defined circular path. So, here I'm just going to write the points related to the orbit, that we can say it is a well defined circular path. This we are talking about the orbit. And if we'll talk about the orbitals, then orbital is this we are writing with the different pen for the orbital. Orbital represent the region in space around the nucleus. Region in space around nucleus. Where exactly? Student, you also write down this difference because sometimes it asks in the exam also. Probability of finding the electron is maximum. So, region in space around the nucleus where probability of finding electron is maximum. Finding electron is maximum. So this is the main difference between orbit and orbitals. Now if we'll just see about the orbit, then orbit represents the planar motion. The second point for the orbit, we can say it planar motion. While if we think about the orbital, then orbital is considered as a 3D motion. Orbital shows the 3D motion. Then capacity of electron in orbit and orbital. If we'll think about that, then in orbital, not more than 2 electron can accommodate. For orbital, not more than 2 electron can accommodate. And if we'll think about orbit, then in the orbit, the formula 2n square. The electron can be accommodated as per the formula 2n square. Suppose if we'll think about the n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, then we can consider it as a 2 multiply n square. Here in the n, we just put 2 square. Here the n is equal to principal quantum number. The value of it is a 1 to infinite and it is a positive integer. So 2 square into 2 is equal to 8. So for the principal quantum number 2, the maximum 8 electron can accommodate in this orbit. Here in this figure, student, you are able to see the nucleus. This is a nucleus and this is the n is equal to 1 principal quantum number orbit. This is the n is equal to 2 principal quantum number 2 orbit, where you can see this electron is moving around the nucleus. Same way here also you can see the electron is moving around the nucleus. So orbit is just showing the path where the electron moves, and you can see it is a circular path. Now we'll start what is the difference of quantum number and what the quantum number represent. So here you can just see quantum numbers gives the idea about the energy, shape, size, and orientation. Actually, there are the four set of quantum numbers and they give the different ideas. From that, three quantum numbers are required to specify an orbital. If you want to get an idea about the orbital, then only three quantum numbers are required. That is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and magnetic quantum number. To getting the idea about the orbital, only three quantum numbers required. But if you want to get an idea about the electron, where exactly the electron is located, if you want to know about that, then the fourth quantum number is required and that is the spin quantum number. About electron, if you want to know, then spin quantum number is must to know about the spin quantum number. So student, in this slide you are just able to see the energy of electron in an atom is quantized and this energy shows the exact position, velocity of an electron. It is very difficult to know through the uncertainty principle we understood. The exact position and velocity of the electron is not possible to know simultaneously. अगर हमें दोनों के बारे में एक ही साथ में जानना है कि where is the electron position, where it is located and in which orbit, at what speed it rotates, so we will not get an idea. That we have already studied in the uncertainty principle. So here we are with the quantum numbers which gives an idea about the shape, size, orientation. Orbital of smaller size means more chance of finding the electron near the nucleus. इसके ऊपर से आपको पता चल जाता है स्टूडेंट कि n is equal to 1 जो है वो प्रिंसिपल क्वांटम नंबर है और ऑर्बिटल की हम बात करें तो ऑर्बिटल जो है वो s ऑर्बिटल है. सो s ऑर्बिटल में the size is small of 1s orbital, so the finding of electron near the nucleus in 1s orbital is maximum. Here in the above picture I had shown you the some or the other orbitals. Here the sphere, wherever you are seeing, that sphere is of s orbital. Here this 3 x, then here it is y and z, means this is about px, this is py and this is pz, means it is a dumbbell shape. S is a sphere shape and p orbital is dumbbell shape. Same way you are able to see the d orbital also. So the d orbital is having the double dumbbell shape. So these are the different orbital shapes picture. Now we'll start with the principal quantum number, as here principal means main quantum number. So what is about it says principal quantum number is denoted by n and the value is 1 2 3 से infinite तक की है and it determines the size and the large extent the energy of an orbital. Principal quantum number is saying about the orbital energy also. Student, in this you can say that if the value of n is equal to 1, then it is in the K shell. That also we get. So here we are identifying the shell also. If value of n is equal to 2, then it is known as it is in the L shell. Same way, if the value of n is equal to 3, then you can say it is in the M shell and so on. Here in this also you can see principal quantum number value is 1, 2, 3 and so on. And the shell is K, L, M, N and so on. So principal quantum number gives an average distance of the electron from the nucleus. Now the next is azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number, it is denoted by L, and here the L is equal to n minus 1. The value of L is equal to n minus 1. It denoted by L and the value is n minus 1. Means suppose if you have n is equal to 1, then value of L starts from 0. So here it is n is equal to infinite, then for L it is infinite minus 1. And it gives an idea about the even subcell also. So if the value of n is equal to 1, then L is equal to 0 and the name of the subcell is S subcell. And the shape of the S subcell is sphere. Same way, if the value of n is equal to 2, then it is in the L shell. Then shell की बात करेंगे तो it is in the L shell and value of L is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and the subcell is P subcell. The subcell is P subcell. This is Py. Py. This is Px. And same way Pz. This is the dumbbell shape. This way we'll get an idea about the shape of the particular subcell. Here in the another picture, students, you can see the node also. So what is node? That also I am just explaining you, student. And the value of node is always n minus 1. So first of all, we'll just try to understand what is node. The probability of 1s electron is found to be maximum near the nucleus, as I said just now, and it decrease with the increase the distance. Means सबसे पहले अगर हम देखें तो maximum electron will be found in 1s orbital. Maximum electron will find in 1s orbital, student. जैसे जैसे हम आगे चलते जाते हैं वैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलने के चांसेस जो है वो एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ता जाता है तो वो धीरे धीरे कम होते जाते हैं. So as the increase the distance from the nucleus, so 2s electron probability is also maximum near the nucleus and decrease to zero probability. So जैसे आगे जाएंगे तो वो नोड वो जगह है कि जहां पर the empty shell for 2s electron is called nodal surface or node. So जहां पर possibility zero हो जाती है इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलने की possibility. और as I said it the value is n-1. मतलब 1s ऑर्बिटल के लिए नोड जो है वो 0 होता है. 2s ऑर्बिटल के लिए number of node is equal to 2. So this way you will get an idea. Now what is about the magnetic quantum number? Magnetic quantum number is denoted by small m also, or you can say is m and l. It is also known as magnetic orbital quantum number also, and the value of magnetic quantum number is -L2 plus L. Means as n is equal to 1 तो L is equal to 0 है स्टूडेंट. तो यहाँ पर m की वैल्यू 0 होगी क्योंकि 0 माइनस 0 और प्लस 0 नहीं होता है. Same way, if n is equal to 2, then L is equal to 1, then value of L is equal to minus L से plus L, मतलब minus 1 से plus 1. So minus 1, उसके बाद में आता है 0 और उसके बाद में आता है plus 1. तो ये जो है L की वैल्यू 1 जो है तो वहां पर P सब सेल होता है. तो P सब सेल जो है उसमें अगर हम देखते हैं तो उसमें सब ऑर्बिटल्स जो है वो एक्चुअली 3 सब ऑर्बिटल्स आए हुए हैं. आगे अगर उसी तरह से d ऑर्बिटल के लिए d सब सेल के लिए हम बात करते हैं तो ये है d सब सेल जिसमें L की वैल्यू है 2. तो यहाँ पर आपके पास में माइनस एल से प्लस एल मीन्स -2 -1 0 +1 एंड +2. तो ये हुई आपकी -2 से +2 की वैल्यू. और जब हम D सब सेल की बात करते हैं तो D सब सेल is having total 5 suborbitals. So in this D, maximum electron for D subcell, maximum electron can be accommodated. It is how many student? As I said, orbital is accommodate not more than 2 electrons. So यहाँ इसके पास में 5 सब ऑर्बिटल्स है तो इसीलिए मैक्सिमम D के अंदर 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन अकोमोडेट हो सकते हैं. 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Then last is the spin quantum number. Spin quantum number is just getting the idea about the rotation and revolution. Here you are able to see in the diagram, plus half and minus half is shown to you. Means here this is the clockwise rotation of the electron and this is the anticlockwise rotation of the electron. So these three quantum numbers are not enough to explain the line spectra observed in the case of multi इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम स्टूडेंट्स. अगर हम हाइड्रोजन या He प्लस की बात ना करें और मल्टी इलेक्ट्रॉन एटम के अगर स्पेक्ट्रा इमिशन स्पेक्ट्रा देखते हैं तो उसमें डबलेट्स एंड ट्रिपलेट्स लाइन होती है, तो ये यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन करना मुश्किल था अबव मेंशन थ्री क्वांटम नंबर से. so that's why like electron also rotates and revolves like a planet. तो उसको हमने यहाँ प्लस हाफ एंड माइनस हाफ ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट किया है, जो आप देख सकते हो अप एरो एंड डाउन एरो से हम उसको शो करते हैं स्टूडेंट. An orbital cannot hold more than 2 electrons and this is in the opposite spin जो मैंने यहाँ आपको दिखाया है. Here this is the shape and the energy increasing order. This 1s, then 2s and then 2px, 2py and 2pz student. Hope so student this topic is clear to you. If you are requesting me for the another video for the same topic, if it is not clear then I am ready to explain you with the other video also. So till the time student take care and thank you much student for just just imaging my this video